Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the red planet with surprising facts about Mars. Mars has always captivated our imagination. Named after the Roman god of war, it glows red in our night sky. Thanks to robotic explorers, we're closer to understanding Mars, discovering ancient rivers, towering volcanoes, and possible microbial life. So buckle up, space cadets. We're about to embark on a journey to our planetary neighbor. We all know volcanoes are impressive, right? But Mars takes it to a whole new level. Imagine a volcano so massive, it dwarfs Mount Everest 3 times over. That, my friends, is Olympus Mons, the undisputed king of volcanoes in our solar system. This behemoth stretches an astounding 374 miles across. That's roughly the size of the state of Arizona. Just to give you some perspective, the largest volcano on Earth, Mauna Kea in Hawaii, measures a mere 75 miles across. Olympus Mons isn't just big, it's a cosmic testament to the power of geology on a scale we rarely witness. Like Earth, Mars experiences 4 distinct seasons, but that's where the similarities end. You see, Mars has a more pronounced tilt than Earth, about 25 degrees compared to our planet's 23.5 degrees. This greater tilt means Martian seasons are far more extreme. Summers on Mars can be surprisingly warm, but winters, they're brutal, with temperatures plummeting to -200 degrees Fahrenheit. And because Mars's orbit is more elliptical than Earth's, its seasons vary in length. So, pack your bags accordingly if you're planning a Martian vacation. You might just find yourself enjoying a summer that lasts half a Martian year. Dust storms on Earth? A minor inconvenience. Dust storms on Mars? A planet-engulfing spectacle. Mars is notorious for its dust storms, some of which can grow so large they engulf the entire planet in a reddish haze. These storms are driven by the sun's heat, which warms the Martian atmosphere and creates winds that whip up dust from the planet's surface. Imagine skies turning blood red, visibility dropping to zero, and dust devils, some taller than Mount Everest, swirling across the landscape. It's a sight that would make even the bravest explorer tremble, and a stark reminder of the raw power of nature on this alien world. Chapter 4. Phobos and Deimos, the Martian moons. Mars may be known as the red planet, but did you know it also has 2 moons? Meet Phobos and Deimos, the sons of Ares, the Greek counterpart of Mars. These Martian moons are smaller than our moon and have irregular shapes, possibly captured asteroids. Phobos is spiraling closer to Mars and could collide with the planet. Deimos is slowly drifting away. Chapter 5. Ancient waters flowing on Mars. The search for life beyond Earth often begins with the search for water, and Mars holds tantalizing clues of a wetter past. Imagine this. Billions of years ago, Mars wasn't the dry, dusty world we see today. It was a planet with flowing rivers, vast lakes, and maybe even a shallow ocean. We know this because we found evidence etched into the Martian landscape. Ancient riverbeds, dried lake basins, and minerals that form only in the presence of liquid water. Could life have existed in these ancient Martian waters? It's a question that keeps scientists up at night and one that drives our continued exploration of the red planet. Chapter 6. A breath of thin Martian air. Breathing easy on Mars? Not so fast. The Martian atmosphere is about 100 times thinner than Earth's, and it's composed mostly of carbon dioxide, not exactly ideal for humans. This thin atmosphere also means there's little protection from the sun's harmful radiation. So, while you might dream of strolling across the Martian surface without a spacesuit, the reality is a bit more complicated. But don't despair. Scientists are exploring ways to terraform Mars, potentially making its atmosphere more breathable for future generations. Who knows? Maybe one day, we'll be able to breathe Martian air without the need for helmets and spacesuits. Chapter 7. Earth's Grand Canyon is undeniably impressive, but it pales in comparison to Valles Marineris, the most extensive canyon system in our solar system. This Martian scar stretches over 2,500 miles. That's roughly the distance from New York City to Los Angeles. To put that in perspective, the Grand Canyon is a mere 277 miles long. Valles Marineris is so vast it makes the Grand Canyon look like a tiny crack in the ground. Scientists believe this colossal canyon formed through tectonic activity, a testament to the incredible geological forces that have shaped Mars over billions of years. Chapter 8. The Red Planet, a Rusty Mystery. We've all heard Mars called the red planet, but have you ever wondered why? It's all thanks to iron oxide rust, in simpler terms. You see, the Martian surface is covered in iron-rich dust. Over billions of years, this iron has reacted with the small amount of oxygen in the Martian atmosphere, creating a planet-wide coating of rust. So, the next time you see Mars glowing red in the night sky, remember, you're looking at a planet covered in rust. Chapter 9. Polar ice caps, water and dry ice. Just like Earth, Mars has polar ice caps, but these icy regions are a bit more exotic than our own. While Earth's polar caps are made mostly of water ice, Mars has a mix of water ice and frozen carbon dioxide, also known as dry ice. These polar caps expand and contract with the Martian seasons, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. Scientists believe that studying these ice caps could provide valuable insights into Mars's climate history and the potential for finding evidence of past or even present-day life. Chapter 10. Light as a feather, heavy on implications. Ever dreamt of being an Olympic athlete on Mars? Well, you might just break some records. Due to its lower gravity, about 38% of Earth's, you'd be able to jump higher, throw farther, and lift heavier objects on Mars. But this lower gravity also presents challenges for human exploration. Our bodies evolved under Earth's gravity, and prolonged exposure to lower gravity can have negative effects on our bones, muscles, and cardiovascular system. Scientists are still studying the long-term effects of Martian gravity, but it's clear that adapting to this new environment will be crucial for future Martian settlers. Outrow until next time, Mars Explorers, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Mars, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating space facts. The red planet holds countless secrets, and we're only just beginning to unravel them. From its towering volcanoes and colossal canyons to its potential for harboring past or even present-day life, Mars continues to captivate our imaginations and fuel our desire to explore the cosmos. See you next time, Space Cadets. Keep looking up and never stop questioning the universe around us.